Hi, this is the clean code demonstration for the professional IT foundation training. Clean code is a concept to avoid any unnecessary content in our source files. Why? Why would we want to do it? The reason is that the less code we have, the less work we have to do with it. Imagine a new starter who joins a team and there are millions of lines of code to go through and get familiar with. So if we can remove some of it by not adding any unnecessary stuff to it, then that's really good. The Android operating system has 15 million lines of code in it. If we could remove like 20% of it, that would be a huge benefit for us. A lot of work and effort would be saved. But how can we do it? I'm going to show you a very simple example. So what you see here is an example code file, and the point here is that we have some comments, these grayed out lines. For example, here is a comment as well. This is just text for other developers. If I'm writing code, then I can make some comments, notes, so others understand what I wanted a little bit better. Okay, and sometimes developers overdo it and we have much longer source file than it should be. So what I want to highlight is the line number here, which is 76 on the left lower corner. And once I'm done with my modifications, then we will look at the length of the code and see how much I was able to reduce the size of this little source code. So up to this point, I removed the unnecessary comments and some unnecessary code as well from the bottom. We will make the code more readable as well. I removed some code and a lot of unnecessary comments, renamed a couple of variables, added some space where it helps to make the line more readable. There is a lot more to clean code than this, especially on making the code working in an efficient way or removing any unnecessary code, but it's outside of the scope of this training. And now we're down to 42 lines. So we removed 45% of the code. We almost removed half of it. So we have a lot less to go through and a lot less complicated solution. This is very powerful.